Win against Tottenham on Saturday and Chelsea will be 7 points clear at the top of the Premier League. With Manchester City and Arsenal in FA Cup action and Liverpool with a week off, the Blues have a chance to put some space between them and their rivals. But don't think that advantage makes Jose Mourinho's side the title favourites.
I keep saying that is not a realistic situation. Realistic situation is teams with the same number of matches, and in that situation you can say I am in front, I am behind, I have some points advantage or some points disadvantage. When some teams they have more matches than other teams, the situation is not real. So I don't look to the table, I just look to the game.
Spurs certainly won't make it easy for Chelsea, with Tim Sherwood's side desperate to make up ground on the top four and stake their claim for a place in the UEFA Champions League.
We want our top four position safe, and in this moment the biggest threat for that top four position is Tottenham, because they are fifth and they are the closest team to the top four. So if you can get a result against them, we can say that almost for sure our objective of finish top four is in a very good direction.
Ashley Cole's future has been one of the big talking points at Stamford Bridge, having fallen behind Cesar Azpilicueta in the pecking order at left back. An impressive 45-minute display for England has kept him in Mourinho's thinking, but another injury setback has delayed any potential return to the Chelsea first team.
It was good for me that Ashley played part of the game. He was not playing here for a long time. He didn't play 90 minutes, but played 45, and for me that's good. But unfortunately he got an injury yesterday in train, and is one of the players that is out for tomorrow.
Cole is expected to be sidelined for 2 weeks, but there is some good news for Chelsea on the injury front. Eden Hazard in line to feature against Tottenham despite suffering an ankle knock while on international duty with Belgium.